Remote Eye Training. Welcome to the Innomize Remote Eye Training tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show and tell you about the different features of Remote Eye. The person with the glasses has to say the commandos, My Programs and Remote Eye, and then the person is ready to receive a call with Remote Eye and Remote Support System. This guide is for you as the expert user of Remote Eye. You will lead the call by guiding the person on the other end, and you will be the one documenting. This is the desktop version that is browser-based. We recommend you use Google Chrome. Paste in the URL and click it. Now we can see that there's a person calling. Now click the green icon and start the call. If you want to create a summary with AI, you can click here and choose the language of the call, and after you will have a summary and a transcription of the call. Now, connecting to the glasses. The person that is calling is facing a problem, and I'm now going to show you how to guide them through. To show the other person a specific part of the screen, you can click with your mouse. When you click the screen, it freezes for a few seconds, so the other person won't have to stand still. If you want to share a picture with annotations and save it for documentation, then you have two options. The first one being live drawing, where the person on the other end can see as you draw. When you're done, you disable the live drawing and click the Save button. The second option is to take a photo, do annotations, and then click the Play button to share. Now the person on the other end can see your photo. You can see it on your screen, and it will be saved in the library. When you're done, click Hide Image. You can save it for your own documentation in the library. Here, all pictures and videos from the call will be saved, so you can see it in your report later. The person on the other end can also initiate a photo by saying, "Take picture," and it will pop up your screen and you can save it to your library. The same way, they can also start and stop a video recording. If you happen to be working with an object that has a barcode, you can scan it with this button and you will not only get a picture of it, but also the number of the barcode. If the person on the other end is in a dark location, simply just switch on the flashlight button and now you can see even more. You can also record videos of whatever the person is looking at. Pick a spot and start recording. They will see in the glasses that there's light around the screen and a video camera to show that the glasses are recording. After turning the video off, you can put in a tag that says Turn Gain Knob, for instance, and click Save. Now the video is stored in your library. You can share your screen and select whichever window, and then the person in the field will be able to see which window you have chosen. For example, manual or PDF file. There is also a webcam in case you want to show yourself to the person. Here, you can type a reference in. You can type case number, for instance, and save it in your library. You can send a message to the person with the glasses and translate it to their preferred language. And now they can see it in their glasses. You can make a multi-call if you want to get help from other people. Just share the link and send it in an email to the people you want to enter the call. They can only use the link when you invite them, and after the call, their link no longer works. You will still have your red dot, and the new participant will have a green dot, so they can point with their mouse like you. This system is supported by whichever device the new participant is on, tablet, iPhone, computer, etc. They don't need to install anything or have any licenses. When they get your mail with the link, they just click the link, type in their name and say yes to share their microphone. And then you are connected. You can add more languages, which makes it possible for both to still communicate even if you don't speak the same language. All you have to do is set the languages of each participant, and then you will be able to communicate by speaking your own languages. If you happen to have bad connection, you can change the resolution. The screen can be of low quality, but your pictures will still be in high quality because of the system making up for the bad connection. When you're done with the call, the person with the glasses will say, "Navigate home," and then you can turn off. After the call, you can open your library and see all the content from your earlier calls. In the library, you can click here to see the report and all the other information.